Welcome to solverfy, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
We'll be looking at virtual work. To solve this particular problem at hand, we will where we need to determine P acting horizontally at A. We'll need to find the virtual work due to P as well as that due to W and sum them to making P the solution of the formula to get the answer. So we have the structure. It looks like this. All right, this is P acting this way. P. Let's call this point point A. This is angle theta. Okay. Let's call here B. All right. Now, this member AB has a weight W and the length is L. Okay. So for us to we can determine the uh, just fix the virtual displacement due to W is that. So we are going to have a positive work there. While that due to P, let's call it so let's call it this the y substitute W, and this is the x substrate A. Okay, so we can get the position coordinate locating P is going to give us x substrate A is equal to L cos theta. All right, we can call this one. Then for we're going to have the position coordinate fixing W to be half L sine theta. You can call these two. So let's differentiate one. For differentiate one, we are going to have, okay, to be with respect to theta. So it's going to give us the x substitute A over the theta. It's going to give us, uh, which is minus L sine theta. You can just make theta the solution of the formula, so that we'll have the xa the solution of the formula. We're going to arrive at minus L sine theta, the theta sine theta, the theta. So we can do same for the second equation there, the yw, the y substitute w with respect to theta, so that we are going to have it to be half L sine theta, half L cos theta, to make the this the surface of the formula. I'm going to have this to be half L cos theta, the theta. All right, half L cos theta d theta, so that we can now get our virtual work. We know that for P, we are going to have the work is going to be negative virtual work. So the virtual work, the U is equal to 0, so that for P, we are going to have this P times the displacement, the virtual displacement, which we have gotten already, plus W times the virtual displacement. Of course, for this, the virtual work here is positive, while for P, the virtual work is negative. All right. Now plugging in the values, all the values we've gotten, making P the surrogate of the formula, and we'll arrive at P to be half W over tan theta, of course, which is the same thing as half cos theta, half W, sorry, W over cos theta. So this is the relation for P. Plugging in, if you have values to plug into this, you can just easily get the value of the magnitude of P.